Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Robinhood in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device set up with the BNB app installed, a verified Robinhood account, and some BNB in your Ledger wallet. Oh, and always double-check that your devices are secure. Crypto hacks are no joke in 2025. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and unlock your device with your PIN. Once you're in, navigate to the BNB account in Ledger Live. This is where your BNB is stored, so take a moment to confirm the balance. Next up, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Log in, go to your crypto wallet section, and find your BNB wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's like the address on a physical envelope. One wrong digit could send your BNB into the void. Now, back in Ledger Live, select the BNB account and choose the Send option. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Double-check everything, then confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by approving it with your PIN. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on the network. Keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. When it's done, log back into Robinhood and verify that your BNB has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Robinhood. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for storage and only transfer to verified accounts. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.